Effective home remedies to get rid of itching skin. An itch is a sensation that arises from the irritations of the skin or nerve cell. It is medically known as pruritus. The skin condition could be a result of various factors, as few of which are like dry skin irritation or rashes, pregnancy, older age, and many more. But don't worry, we cover you with awesome home remedies. Oatmeal bath. Oatmeal has soothing effect that can help in relieving itchy skin. These effects are due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Add 2 cups of oatmeal to your bath water, soak in your bath for 15 to 20 minutes, gently scrub some of the oatmeal on the itchy areas. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains medium-chain fatty acids that have antihistamine and anti-inflammatory properties, which help soothe the itching. The oil is also highly moisturizing and can help fight one of the major causes of pruritus, dry skin. Holy basil. Basil is a rich source of eugenol, thymol, and camphor, which helps reduce the inflammation and itchiness with their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Grind a few basil leaves and apply the paste to the affected areas. Sesame seed oil. Sesame oil is a rich source of antioxidants and is hence great for your skin. It is also known for its inflammation reducing properties that can prove quite beneficial in soothing the redness and itchiness on your skin. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the itching and inflammation to a great extent. They also exhibit excellent antimicrobial activities that help soothe the rashes and eliminate skin infections that may be causing your skin to itch.